morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Ride to the Sun. Now, bought the bike home. I haven't had a chance to really update anyone as to what I plan on doing with it. The bike, meaning the 22 Road Glide ST, which is sitting behind me. Not this bike, but this other one right here. So got the face off, and right now parts are starting to roll in. And I think I'm gonna end up doing a lot of the work. What's going to be required is a table. So if you all know of a good table in 2022, going into 23, do comment and let me know which one you think might be economical and value added for a person with a motorcycle. I was actually thinking of getting the what's it called, the Quake Jack, and use the platform that they sell separate with that. That way I could use it for my car and any of my motorcycles. But I think I ended up on a singular focus jack just for motorcycles. So if you know of any, I've looked at the Black Widow. They were on sale through Black Friday just this past week, well, this weekend. And there's a couple other brands out there that may be a good value. So if you know of any, please comment and let me know. If you see a deal somewhere or you saw a deal somewhere, let me know. So again, this is the first part of the build. I think I want to do this myself. So stuff started to coming in as we speak, and it's just water. So everything from this box came from my friend. I guess I could say we always talk like he's from Italy, and we always speak a little Italian when I call him. A little Italian I do remember for spending 4.5 years in Italy. So this is a front fender from Carbon Visionary. It's still in the plastic. I'm not opening it up. You can kind of see the carbon. It's real pretty. It's the inside of it. When I put it in, when I install all this stuff, I'll show it all to you. But it's just stuff, as stuff come in, and I'm starting to brainstorm and see where I want to go with this bike. I thought about a 180 front. It has its pros and cons as well. It looks great. From what most people say, if you're a tourer, it rides great just as well. Now I'm a guy that like to take the corners. I like to rip it around, ride a little spirited, you know. So don't know if that's for me. So and I like the look of the Wood Glide as it stands. So I may decide just to go with it as it is. The secondary reason for that is getting forks built. Actually ordered the lower fork legs from Eastern Performance, and they just got here recently. That's them in that box right there, going out to Big Bear Performance. Only reason they're still here is because Eastern Performance didn't put the rebuild kit in there, so I have to wait for that to get here before I could ship it. It's a big old fiasco because I thought this box had already came in, and I was so excited that it came in today. That's what I was expecting, and I already had the label printed out, felt the weight, say, hey, that's it. I didn't even look at it. Don't ask. Slap the label on it and send it forward. Turned out it's the wrong box, so that's got to come back, and the right box has to go. I know. So slow down, relax, open your boxes, and make sure it's the right box before you forward it to someone else. Stupid mistake number one. That's definitely stupid. So, one, it's a front fender. It looks really cool though. So, it's gonna look real nice on the bike. I think it's gonna set it off, that gunship gray with the carbon, and the fork legs themselves are gonna be that gold, like the Olens or Olens, however way you want to say it. It's gonna be that gold with the black lowers. The top of the tree is gonna be gold. So yeah, it might take a little while, because I think Big Bear told me when I called last that they were about 3 or 4 weeks behind. So I'm expecting the long haul. It is now November. The holidays are coming. I'm assuming end of November, right after Thanksgiving. Excuse me. Heading into December and New Year's. So I'm lucky if I get it by Christmas, I'm thinking. So this is one of the things that came in. This is a little bracket that goes underneath. Can't even really see it. You know, that goes underneath. It's like the fork protectors. I forgot what this is called. So that's also carbon. It's amazing how much money these little carbon pieces are. But they're quite light. Maybe it's a diminishing return thing. It's more of a look thing than it is performance, because most of us like performance, but it's not like we're really cutting up on these streets and these, you know, it's more for looks than anything else. Or if you're upgrading, or if you need to replace something, I guess you might as well go with something that's maybe a little bit more expensive, or a little bit lighter, cut some weight. These things are pigs. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a big tour. So I think it's gonna look nice. If anything, it's for looks. I'm not at Brands Hatch or Laguna Seca racing this thing. But $2 more, actually quite a few dollars more. I figured I'd give it a try since I'm rebuilding this thing. Low vain, but it's whatever. We live once. Now this is cool. I wish it was bigger. I take that back. Not big, but taller. And this is the carbon fiber windshield. Don't that look cool? I can't wait to see it on the bike. So I'm not taking it off yet. I'm not taking this plastic off. When I install it, and I'm going to try to take most of this, then I'll show you how it's done. I'll show what it looks like. Excuse me. There are pros and cons to carbon as well. It's not all gravy with carbon. But all these parts here can be found at Carbon Visionary. It's not sponsored, all my own dollars. So let me know what y'all think on the subject of the something that's also space, give you a little space savings, whatever jack I end up with here. Because I'm gonna have to get this front forks off. Not that you necessarily need one to get them off, but it makes it like a lot easier, especially if you're gonna leave it up for a while you're getting things done. So do like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you all think. What all you think I should do to it while it's down. Of course, it's going to be all lanes internals from Big Bear Performance. Seems like really good people. So let me know. You know, there's a lot going into the bike. Not doing anything to the engine thus far. I think the 117 is plenty. I can't wait to see what Harley's doing for 2023. If you all have heard the rumors, if there's any engine changes or anything like that, do comment. Do let me know what's coming. Because I was just going to trade it in at first instead of try to rebuild it. But I figured I'd have a little fun with it. It's been a great bike. I've had no complaints. So do like, comment, subscribe. Come back and see me. This is Ride to the Sun. Hope to see you here. Oh, by the way, been doing this for a minute. Bikes are nothing new to me. You know, rode in Italy for 4.5 years, rode the mountains of Asiago, Dragnese and all of that. So Ducatis are nothing new to me. Aprilias, you name it. So yeah, I can speak on all these bikes. So do like, comment, subscribe, come back and see me. This is Ride to the Sun. Subscribe to the only channel that brings you everything motorcycling. Adventure, parties, triumphs, you name it. Let's go!